Welcome to another episode of KG Nature Adventures.
Yeah.
Right now we're at a beautiful Stone Mountain Park, looking for the rarest of species among species, like Caninus Homo sapiens.
Rightio.
Right.
Good name.
Okay. Well, we'll be looking. You can just join us on our tour.
Alright. I think I spot something. Look what I found!
What is it? What is it?
It's a purse! A purse!
A purse. What is that species?
Let me see!
The rarest of colours, even.
Oh, look what we found in it! Oh, it's fabulous.
Indeed. It's... What is that?
It's a knee topper.
Oh, indeed, that is rare.
Very rare.
All right then. Well, thank you for joining us on another episode of KG's Nature Adventures.